A single strip of tape can hold over 900 pounds of weight due to its unique properties. This incredible feat of strength is thanks to the molecular bonds within the tape itself. Adhesive tapes, such as duct tape, are made from a type of plastic called polyethylene. When polyethylene is stretched, it becomes less dense, which allows it to form new bonds with surfaces. These bonds are known as van der Waals forces, named after the Dutch scientist Johannes van der Waals. He discovered that these forces are responsible for the attraction between molecules. But what makes tape so strong is not just the van der Waals forces, it's also the way it's made. Tape is created by extruding a thin layer of molten plastic through a die, which gives it its characteristic shape. The die is usually made of a metal alloy, such as brass or aluminum, which is strong and durable. The molten plastic is then cooled and hardened, forming a solid sheet of tape. When you apply the tape to a surface, the van der Waals forces come into play. The molecules in the tape begin to bond with the molecules on the surface, creating a strong attachment. But that's not the strangest part. The strength of tape also depends on its thickness. Thicker tape has more molecules per unit area, which means it can support more weight. For example, a 1-inch wide strip of duct tape can hold over 100 pounds of weight. But if you stretch the tape too far, the bonds between the molecules can break. Imagine a grain of sand containing an entire library. That's roughly the number of molecules in a single layer of tape. But what happens when you apply heat to the tape? The molecules begin to move more rapidly, breaking the bonds between them. This is known as the glass transition temperature, above which the plastic becomes brittle and loses its strength. But don't worry, tape is still useful even when it's heated. It just becomes less sticky.
However, if you heat the tape to a high enough temperature, it will eventually melt and lose its shape.
This is because the plastic molecules are now moving too fast to maintain their bonds. But wait until you hear what comes next. Tape is also used in medical applications. Medical tape is designed to be gentle on the skin, while still providing a strong adhesive. It's often used to secure bandages or dressings in place. In addition, tape is used in the aerospace industry to secure parts together. The high-strength adhesive can withstand extreme temperatures and pressures. For example, the International Space Station uses tape to secure its solar panels in place. But tape is not just used for its strength, it's also used for its electrical properties. Some types of tape are conductive, making them useful for applications such as electronics or robotics. Conductive tape is made from a special type of plastic that contains conductive particles. These particles are usually metal, such as copper or silver, which are excellent conductors. When you apply the conductive tape to a surface, the particles create a path for electricity to flow. This is useful for applications such as wiring or circuit boards. But tape is not just used for its electrical properties, it's also used for its thermal properties. Some types of tape are designed to insulate against heat or cold. These tapes are made from special materials that can withstand extreme temperatures. For example, thermal tape is used to insulate pipes or wires in buildings. But what makes tape so versatile is its wide range of applications. From medical to aerospace, tape is used in countless industries. And with its incredible strength and versatility, it's no wonder tape is a staple in many industries. But don't just take our word for it. The uses of tape are endless. From securing loose parts to insulating against heat, tape is a must-have tool. And with its affordability and ease of use, it's no wonder tape is a favorite among professionals and dyers alike. But the uses of tape don't stop there. It's also used in art and craft projects. Tape is a versatile material that can be used to create unique and interesting designs. For example, some artists use tape to create intricate patterns or designs. Others use tape to create 3D sculptures or models. And with the rise of DIY crafting, tape has become a popular material for making jewelry or other accessories. But tape is not just limited to the arts. It's also used in science and education. Tape is often used to demonstrate scientific concepts, such as friction or adhesion. For example, some teachers use tape to demonstrate the concept of friction by rubbing two surfaces together. Others use tape to demonstrate the concept of adhesion by sticking two surfaces together. And with the rise of STEM education, tape has become a popular material for hands-on learning. But the uses of tape don't stop there. It's also used in everyday life. From securing loose ends to insulating against the elements, tape is a must-have tool. And with its affordability and ease of use, it's no wonder tape is a favorite among homeowners and professionals alike. But the story of tape doesn't end there. It's also used in historical and cultural contexts. Tape has been used for centuries to secure objects or create art. For example, ancient Egyptians used tape to secure their mummies in place. And in Japan, tape is used to create intricate designs or patterns. But what makes tape so fascinating is its ability to adapt to new situations. From medical to aerospace, tape is used in countless industries, and with its incredible strength and versatility, it's no wonder tape is a staple in many industries. But the uses of tape don't stop there, it's also used in space exploration. Tape is used to secure equipment or insulate against extreme temperatures. For example, the International Space Station uses tape to secure its solar panels in place. And with the rise of private space companies, tape is becoming increasingly important. But tape is not just limited to space exploration. It's also used in environmental conservation. Tape is used to secure loose ends or insulate against the elements. For example, some conservationists use tape to secure loose branches or debris. Others use tape to insulate against extreme temperatures or weather conditions. And with the rise of sustainable living, tape is becoming increasingly important. But the story of tape doesn't end there. It's also used in sports and recreation. Tape is used to secure equipment or insulate against extreme temperatures. For example, athletes use tape to secure their shoes or prevent blisters. And with the rise of extreme sports, tape is becoming increasingly important. But what makes tape so fascinating is its ability to adapt to new situations. From medical to aerospace, tape is used in countless industries, and with its incredible strength and versatility, it's no wonder tape is a staple in many industries. Want to learn more about the incredible world of tape? Subscribe for more fascinating stories like this. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible content.